This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to add simple formatting, including bullets and colors, to a Yahoo Mail message. Let's get started. Yahoo Mail, click on the Compose button. So here is my field of writing. I'm just going to paste in some text that I've already prepared, and then I'm going to format it. So you can see it's a message to Julie here. So I want to make these two lines right here, I want to make that bulleted text. So I've selected that, and then you'll see an icon. It says More Options. It looks like 3 dots. Click on that. And you can see that there's 2 options for bullets. So one of them is to do a numbered list. So you can see it just changed to 1 and 2. But you can also select just straight up bullets. So that looks pretty good. So maybe another thing that I want to do is I want to bold my name or add some other formatting. So I've just highlighted Ian and I'm going to click B. That makes it bold. And then maybe what I could also do is I could color this text one color. So PowerPoint 365, 500 units. So I'm going to click the colored text color, and I'm going to make that, let's say, magenta. And then the one below that, I'm going to highlight it again, click the color button, and I'm going to make that one, let's say, green. Actually, that's the background color. I'm going to go back and change that. So I want the background color green, but I want the text to be white. So that's actually the highlight color. So I think that's kind of what I wanted to do. Oh, I see. Text color is white, and then I have to change the highlight color to let's say, dark green. Okay, there we go. So that's the basic idea of how to do it. Then once I'm ready with the formatting, I could just send that email off. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, and I'll see you next time.